Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of eyebrow grooming with a focus on precision and quality. We're reviewing the Pefei Tweezers set, renowned for its professional-grade stainless steel and exceptional performance. Let's find out if this set truly lives up to the hype. The Pefei Tweezers set is designed to handle a variety of tasks with 4 specialized tweezers: classic, slant, pointed, and pointed slant. Made from high-quality No. 420 stainless steel, these tweezers promise durability and precision for removing even the tiniest hairs, splinters, or ingrown hairs. First off, what sets these tweezers apart is their construction. Crafted from No. 420 stainless steel, they're not only durable but also resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Each tweezer is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making them easy to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. To wrap up, if you're looking for the best tweezers for professional eyebrow grooming, the Pefei Tweezers set is an excellent choice. With its durable construction, precise tweezers, and ergonomic design, it's no wonder why it's a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. If you're interested in upgrading your eyebrow grooming routine, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the Pefei Tweezers set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights on Product Critique.